So let's start. Delivery workers today have a range of vehicles at their disposal, but they all come with their limitations. Scooters offer limited payload, while cars mean sitting in traffic. However, a team of Taiwanese students has designed an electric cargo track that combines the best of both worlds. This compact and maneuverable vehicle can carry 6 5-liter bottles of water or just a couple of hamburgers. With a reduced width of just 65 centimeters, it can easily navigate through narrow streets. The design was even recognized at the prestigious Design Talent Awards, a competition for international students. This innovative vehicle is set to revolutionize delivery services, making it easier and more efficient for workers to get the job done. Introducing a robot that's designed for a unique purpose to help AI researchers. This robot has a specific task: to hold a plate with a ball on it without dropping it. Sounds simple, right? But to achieve this, you'll need to learn a new programming language called Inkling, which is specifically created for training AI. According to Microsoft's website, it'll only take you 15 minutes to teach the robot how to hold the ball. This robot is created from scratch to illustrate the peculiarities of working with AI in the real world. Its reactions and skill depend on the control method, which uses contests and evaluation against their trained models. Additionally, it comes with an open source code and 3D printing files. Are you ready to take on the challenge of teaching this specialized robot? When it comes to household equipment, Dyson is a household name for their vacuum cleaners, hair dryers, and AC units. However, last year, they surprised everyone by introducing a new product: headphones. But these headphones aren't just for listening to music, they capture air and filter it through a protective mask, providing protection against allergens, construction dust, and gas pollutants. With active noise cancellation and ultra-low distortion, users can enjoy their favorite tunes without being bothered by external sounds. The headphones offer 50 hours in music-only mode and 4 hours in music plus filtration mode. The product has already been a hit in China, where air pollution is a major problem. One tester even tried them in the office and noted that they blocked out extraneous sounds. Dyson has truly taken innovation to the next level with their new headphones. Have you ever wondered if soccer players' salaries are reasonable? After all, even robots can play soccer now. Meet Artemis, a robot that runs at an impressive 2.1 meters per second and is being trained for the RoboCup soccer tournament. In the future, Artemis could even join a team of robots to play against the world's best soccer players. But Artemis isn't just a one-trick pony. This robot can walk on uneven surfaces and even do somersaults, making it a perfect candidate for celebrating goals. Weighing in at 37 kilograms, Artemis has electric actuators that imitate human muscles. And when it's not on the field, this general-purpose robot can even do warehouse work and deliveries. Who knows? Maybe in the future, robots will be the ones negotiating contracts with soccer teams. The world is facing a daunting challenge: deforestation. The Food and Agriculture Organization of the UN reports that since 1990, the planet has lost a staggering 420 million hectares of forests. But fear not, a team from Carnegie Mellon University has developed a solution. Enter seed carriers, made from white oak wood, which stand upright when moistened and twist the seeds into the soil, protecting them from the elements and animals. But that's not all, these shells can also house sensors and apply fertilizer. It's a game changer for aerial seeding, especially in hard-to-reach areas that have suffered from forest fires. Let's hope this innovative solution helps renew the lungs of our planet. Introducing the latest innovation from Estonia, the Cleven Unmanned Delivery Vehicle. This modular design can carry up to 100 kilograms and can drive on public roads, resulting in a 30% decrease in delivery costs. Its adaptable design allows for customization to fit specific tasks, with a width of 1.1 meters and a length shorter than an adult person. With a range of 80 kilometers on a single charge and a battery that charges from 20 to 80% in just 45 minutes, this vehicle is perfect for year-round use. Kleven has already successfully tested the vehicle in Belgium and has entered the North American market. Plus, with only one operator needed to control a fleet of 10 vehicles, this is an efficient and cost-effective solution. Additionally, we saw an interesting suggestion in the comments section, adding a follow mode to enable the vehicle to trail other vehicles. Have you ever imagined feeling the music on your skin? It may sound bizarre, but it's a reality. In fact, Time magazine listed it as one of the top 100 inventions of 2020. The concept is simple: a microphone captures sound, converts it into a digital signal, and sends it via Bluetooth to sensors in a shirt. These sensors vibrate in response to the different instruments, with low notes resonating in the lower part of the shirt and higher notes in the upper part. This innovation isn't just for entertainment purposes either, as it can help people with impaired hearing enjoy concerts and performances. You can even pre-order it now for $1,800. The future of music is here, and it's on your skin. Introducing a revolutionary way to experience the thrill of exploring the open waters like never before. The innovators behind these electric jetboards claim that you can now go further than ever before. Priced at a steep $5,900, the WaveJam 91 can reach speeds of up to 16 km per hour and lasts for a remarkable 40 minutes on a single charge. With a power output of 5 kilowatts and 3 speed settings, this compact board only weighs about 20 kilograms. For those who can't wait to hit the water, a super fast charger is available for purchase separately. Explore the coastline, discover pristine islands, and catch every wave this summer, but be prepared to break the bank. It's all in good fun, but this kind of entertainment comes with a hefty price tag. Are you tired of trying to follow a recipe while your hands are busy cooking? Or what about when you're working on your car and your hands are covered in grease, but you need to take a call? The creators of a new gadget have come up with a solution for these problems. Introducing glasses that work as a mouse. With just a blink of an eye, you can single or double click. Need to highlight an object? Simply shake your head. Compatible with Windows, Android, and Mac OS, this device can be used from up to 10 meters away and works with smartphones, tablets, laptops, and PCs. With a full-hour charge, you can enjoy 10 hours of use. And if you wear prescription glasses, don't worry. Just take your gadget to the nearest optician's office and have the right lenses put in. All of this for only $70 for non-corrective lenses. Say goodbye to messy hands and hello to hands-free convenience. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.